When to replace your motorcycle tires. A rider's guide. Stay safe and maintain peak performance with proper tire care. Learn when to replace your tires based on tread wear, age, damage, and more. Worn tread. Check your tire tread regularly. If it reaches 232-inch, it's time for replacement. Worn tread reduces grip, especially in wet conditions. Aging tires. Even if tires look fine, they can deteriorate internally over time. Factors like weather, usage, and storage affect lifespan. UV exposure accelerates aging, so inspect sidewalls for cracks or discoloration. The age code, e.g. 3424 E 34th week of 2024, helps determine tire age. Brands like Dunlop recommend inspections after 5 years and replacement after 10, regardless of wear. Damage indicators look for cuts, punctures, or deformations. Any visible damage should be inspected immediately, as riding on damaged tires can lead to accidents. Uneven wear can signal misaligned axles or incorrect tire pressure. Regularly check both to ensure even wear and extend tire life. Correct tire usage. Always use manufacturer-recommended tires for optimal handling and safety. Stay proactive in tire care for a safer, more enjoyable ride.